I mixed coffee with acetone and surprised everyone with the result. To start today's tip, in a container, I will add 4 tablespoons of coffee. You can even use the coffee leftover from your breakfast. The second item that we will use in this tip is acetone. Only 2 tablespoons are needed. Acetone is one of the most suitable items for removing burn marks in pots, and only the small amount mixed with coffee will act directly on aluminum and removing stains easily. I'm sure this tip will be the solution for removing stains on your kitchen utensils. To finish the mixture, the last item I will use is the detergent, and the ideal amount for the tip is 5 tablespoons. The detergent is the most used item in the cleaning of kitchen utensils here in this mixture. It adds even more with the use of acetone and coffee. As soon as you add all the ingredients, it is ideal to mix well until diluted. With this, we will have our tip ready for use. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Prince Dopalmo from Nigeria. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. To facilitate the use, I will put all the liquid in a spray bottle, thus avoiding the evaporation of acetone and also the waste of the mixture. Just the small amount is enough to clean your pot several times. I am sure you will be surprised by the use of this mixture, being different from any product that has used until today for the removal of stains. Tell me if you have used coffee for cleaning in your home. Here it is the item that enhances the other ingredients only in the application of the product. Without at least rubbing, we can already remove much of the dirt contained in the pan. This mixture can also be used in shapes and other items in your kitchen. Easily you can remove any dirt and stains from the pots. If necessary, you can even use steel sponge to remove the coarser dirt. We should only be careful with the use of this mixture. For your type of pan, this mixture is fully suitable for removing stains, mainly on aluminum. I am sure you will thank me for this simple and effective tip. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.